Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, let us see today what your partner is thinking about you right now and what's going on in their mind. Let's start the reading. Friends, if you like my reading, then please like and subscribe. My god, there are see the cards 7 of wands, 2 of cups, and page of cups. In your person's mind continues there is lot of conflicts is going on in your person's mind. They don't know what to do, mental conflicts, or maybe there's somewhere there must be some conflict at their place where they are working or in their house, or and somewhere there is a very major conflicts in your person's house or mind. Definitely conflicts are definitely there, and it is related to you also. It can be quite possible that they have having conflicts because of you also, or that they after you left them they are having lot of major very major thinking. They are thinking major things what is going on in your life, and you have all of a sudden you drop them from their life. This kind of feeling is going on in their mind. Because of that they are having so much conflicts. Are you going trying to get your person is having a lot of conflicts right now, since you all of a sudden drop that person in from your life, or you have removed them from your social media or something like that. So all these things is causing a lot of conflict in your person's mind. Or maybe quite possible that your in some persons must be thinking that you are moving out of them, or you're moving out of this relationship, or you're moving towards third person. This kind of feeling also a person can have for you. Yeah, your person is feeling very nostalgic, and they are thinking about the good times spent with you, and all those things. They're continuously missing all those moments they have spent with you in the past. They are definitely thinking about that, and they are going through rough weather right now, but they are moving out of that rough weather. You can see that the person is coming out of the rough weather, because in this is after tarot, so they are not in rough weather exactly. They have come out of the rough path, or you can say they have crossed that rough path, I could say that. Yeah, you are completely heartbroken, and your person is also heartbroken because the high priestess have come. I think majorly you are very heartbroken at present about all the situation that is going on in your life or your person's life. Because of that you are very heartbroken, but you have taken this major judgment. You can say the major judgment you have taken in your life right now was very divinely guided, because divine has guided you to take this kind of decision. And your person will also take some judgment, because your person is also heartbroken right now. So definitely they will make such some judgments about you, right? They are also thinking about making a judgment about you. Yeah, your person is in healing mode, or they are praying a lot, like at present. Even you are healing and you are praying a lot, I could say that. But definitely whatever prayer you are going to do, or whatever healing at present you are going to do, or your person is going to do, you will definitely get victory in that, because the chariot card is coming. Because of that I feel you both will get victory in whatever thing you are doing. If you are doing healing of yourself, or your person's healing, or if your person is praying, or you are praying to God or anyone, you will definitely get success in that. So keep doing whatever you are doing right now. Your universe is guiding you, because universe has forced you to make such kind of judgment or decision. The universe will only force your person to make a judgment. So keep doing what you are doing right now. Now let me see what is the current energy of your person. See, action card is coming, and the sun card is coming in community. Definitely a person wants to take action. They are thinking of taking action. See, they are trying to balance the positive and negative things in their life at present, and they will take action, because the sun card is coming. So they have to take action, right? Yeah, they have to take action, and they will accept you in their whole community, or in their relatives, in front of relatives. They are going to accept this relationship. I feel that's the way. A person will accept you and your and accept you and your relationship both. Yeah, At present, your person's heart chakra is opening. They are thinking of opening their heart chakra. They are working a lot on their heart chakra since they are healing. So they are working on their heart chakra, and they are thinking about this contract, this long-term commitment, or whatever thing is going on about their this is relationship. They are thinking a lot about long-term. Anything long-term, they are thinking a lot because they are strategizing everything. This strategy card has come out. The person is strategizing in their mind since you walked out of this person's mind. They are thinking a lot of conflicts going on in their mind. Their heart chakra, they are weeping a lot because their heart chakra is open now. They know what mistake they have made, so they are thinking about this contract right now, this long term commitment with you, and the strategy, and they are strategizing. At present, your person is strategizing everything. They want to get wisdom, and they want to strategize everything, and they want to plan out everything. Now they are in planning stage, you can say that. Your person definitely considers you in a high honor. If you are thinking that the person doesn't respect you, or they doesn't consider you in a high honor, then please remove this doubt from your mind, because the person definitely thinks in high honor about you. And at present, they may be traveling, maybe in mind journey also. They are traveling a lot, are thinking a lot, nostalgic. I told you they are feeling nostalgic right now. So therefore their mind traveling is definitely there in a person's mind, and they knew that now they knew that when you were with them, they used to feel abundant, wealthy, in love, in everything, whatever sphere they were working, they were getting abundance in that. So they are realizing this right now. Your person is realizing their mistake. They are feeling nostalgic. They are thinking about long term commitment. Everything is going in their person's mind. They are thinking of building a house with, or they think maybe they must be concentrating more on their family right now, because if a community card had also come out previously. So I think if they're thinking a lot about their family also, and they're thinking about you also. Main male and main female card has come out, number 1 and number 2. Definitely they know you are the perfect person, a perfect match for you. This is a match made in heaven. This kind of feeling this person is getting. So hope your person gets clarity soon, so that they can make a decision fast. Oh friends, you got some guidance. Thanks for watching.